If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button, and click on all so that you don't miss any further updates from our channel. Hello, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll teach you how to install Cashkaro app, how to create an account or login into Cashkaro app, also how to purchase and earn cashback or rewards in the Cashkaro app. Okay, so let's get started. Before that, I have given the link in the description box for you to install Cashkaro app. So it will be very easy for you. Just click down into the description box and you can install Cashkaro app. Let's get started. You can see this is the home page. This is the welcome page. You can see here one lady is standing. She is the co-founder of Cashkaro app and she will explain you in Hindi and in English about how to earn cashback. Okay, so if you're interested, you can watch, or else you can just follow my instructions and just go ahead. We can click into login or join. You can see here you can join with Facebook, or else you can add your full name, email address, password and mobile number. After you enter your valid mobile number, you will get an OTP. After you enter the OTP, you can just sign in and you will get logged into your account. Now here I have already signed in, so I can click on sign in and I'll just enter my email ID and I'll get back to you. So this is the home page or login page, as you can see. Now I'll just teach you few steps, okay, like how to find out and everything. So in the top left corner you can see my total earnings. It's 707 rupees. Yeah, I'm also new to this. I'm just 1 or 2 months new to this, so I have already earned about 1000 rupees. Now I'll just, if I shop a little more, I'll earn into 1000 rupees. Okay, so you can see your total earnings here. You can see in the right top corner, learn how to get cashback. If you didn't understand in this video, you can just click on it. Okay, then here you can see which sites are offering much extra rewards. Okay, see Mama Earth, Zivame, Netmeds, Amazon. These apps are currently providing highest cashback rates, so you can click on it, or else you can see here, if you want to shop category wise, here you can see essentials, grocery, health and medicine, beauty, personal care, etc, etc. Okay, so you can see various categories here. From that you can buy. If I want to buy groceries, you can click on grocery and you can see which all apps are there for grocery, and you can click on it and just buy normally. So yeah, and then here you can see which all apps or which all stores are offering you highest cashback, like Amazon, Ajio, Myntra, Mama Earth, Wow Science, and so on. You can see all the apps here. There are many more apps. You just have to click on search. See, this is the search button. You can click on here. You can click like Flipkart. You can see Flipkart, there are 10 coupons. Okay, like that, whichever app you want, you can just search, or whichever store you want, you can search over here. Okay, there is Swiggy as well. So next is here they show that what all prices, like what all products offers are expiring soon. Okay, so this is here. These apps are new on Cashkaro apps. Okay, then this deals are all about beauty. Stop selling smartphones, stop selling headphones. You can click from here, or else you can also check from the app, Amazon, Myntra or whatever apps. Okay, here they show the best deals and everything. Yeah, so now I'll show you how to shop from Amazon or any apps. Okay, if I'm just showing you an example for Amazon, you can do the same way from Ajio as well. Okay, but before that, the main point which you have to keep in mind is that you have to delete all the installed apps, like outside the Cash Karo apps, you can see here I have uploaded a video in the side. You can just see the video. All those apps you have to uninstall first, and then only you can come into Cash Karo and buy from the specific store. Okay, if suppose I'm having Amazon app outside the Cash Karo, I have to uninstall first, and then only I can come into Amazon and I can buy. Okay, the second point is that whatever you have to buy, like from Ajio or Myntra or any store, okay, so in that what you have to do is, after coming into Cash Karo, you, if suppose you're going for Amazon, go into Amazon and then you have to add the products into the cart. If you add from, if the products are already added from the Amazon app, like which is outside Cash Karo app, then that won't be included in rewards. You won't get any cashback for that. So make sure you uninstall that app, you just take it out from the cart, and then once you log in into Cash Karo, you can go into Amazon, you can log in with your old ID and password. Don't worry about that. Your old account only will come in that. Okay, so no need to worry, array, what will happen if my old account will go get deleted and I have to create new account. Don't worry about that. It's just that you can log into your old account. Okay, so these are the two main points what you have to keep in mind always. Now I'll just show. I'll click on okay, I'll click on Amazon. You can see here, earn up to 4.5% rewards on mobiles, electronics, fashions and more. Okay, so there are many more offers. It's not just that there is only one offer. See, click on see more offers. If you are a new user, you will get 50% Cash Karo rewards on your first transaction above 150 rupees. If you are an existing user, you can see there are cashback rewards for mobiles, apparels, shoes, then beauty products up to 50% off plus 2.5% cashback rewards, super value days, pantry, etc, etc. You can see many offers here for Amazon. Okay, so whichever offer you want, you can just click on that. If suppose I want for beauty, I'll just click on activate rewards and the rewards will get activated instantly. Okay, so now you can do the normal purchase as you do like before from the Amazon app. It's same. If I'm just okay, I'll just go for sunscreen. Okay, I'm just randomly adding. Okay, I'll just add to cart. Yeah, so sorry, I got it twice, I think. Okay, yeah, so I can just proceed to buy. Okay, this is just an example. I can proceed to buy and then I can just check out by paying the money or however you want to pay. Okay, this is my old account itself. This is how you buy from Amazon, and once the product is ordered, your cashback will be tracked within 72 hours. Okay, keep in mind always that within 72 hours your cashback will be reflecting into your account. Okay, before that there are chances that you will order and that time only, once the order is placed, that time only the order will be, the cashback will be placed into your account, or else there are chances that it will take 72 hours or less than 72 hours to reflect in your account. You can see your recent clicks. See, here you can see raise a ticket if your cashback is not tracked within 72 hours. So if you don't get your cashback within 72 hours, you can raise a ticket, you can raise a missing complaint. For this I'll upload a video. You can just click on that and you can just watch how you can raise a complaint ticket. Okay, so next step is what? You have to click on profile. You can see my earnings. Click on my earnings and you will find all your earnings which you have earned for the month of May or April, March. You can see all the cashbacks and rewards. In the reward section, if you buy from Amazon and Flipkart, all the cashbacks will be turned out to rewards and it will be reflecting in the rewards column. Okay, always keep in mind. And you can see my cashback is my cashback is pending. The status you can see as pending. My status is pending. Okay, that means like as soon as you buy and you get your rewards or cashback, that won't get confirmed. It will take some time. You can see they will also put an expected date. My expected date is 27 June 2021. So within that date I'll get my cashback confirmed. Okay, and one more main point is that once your cashback or once your account is confirmed, once your cashback is confirmed for rupees 250, okay, now my account is not confirmed for rupees 250, it's only 60 rupees, and here it's only around 125 rupees. Okay, if it's 250 rupees plus, then I can transfer that 250 rupees into my bank account. Okay, for that, once my cashback gets confirmed for above rupees 250, I'll just try to make a video for you so that it will be easy for you guys. Yeah, so this is how you can shop from Amazon or shop from Cashkaro and get easily, you can get cashbacks. Isn't it interesting? So it's not only for Amazon. All these apps are worth buying or worth trying. I try from Mamaearth. I have almost got like so much money from it. Here also I bought from Mamaearth. I got 62 rupees, and I'll just show. I shopped from Mamaearth. I got 79 rupees cashback. I got 113 rupees cashback just for buying for rupees 568 rupees. I got 113 rupees cashback. Isn't that awesome? Like, this Cashkaro app is worth trying. I would urge you to please install from the link that I have given in the description box below, so that you can also earn cashbacks. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Yeah, so guys, what you're waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, also turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss any further updates from us. Also, we have linked down our socials down below in the description box. You can follow us on Instagram as well as on Twitter. And if you have any kind of doubts, you can text us or DM us and we will be ready to help you. Thank you. Until next time, stay safe.